Hello, my name is Fred Vermeer. I was asked by Anycubic to test some of their UV resin. The particular resin that we're looking at today is the EC UV Resin Gray. This is supposed to be environmentally friendly. Now, I'm not going to be testing that part of it. I am going to be testing its ability to print high-quality detailed models. The printer that I'm going to be using is the Anycubic Photon Mono X. Okay, so the model is now out of the wash. I haven't taken the supports off yet because I'm going to do the warm water dunk in order to make removing the supports easier. Looking at the model for the first time after the wash, it looks really good. It's captured a lot of the detail very crisply, and it doesn't look like the print has warped in any way. So I think that the supports did their job, and I'm happy that the EC resin allowed for the proper formation of supports. It seems to be sturdy enough for that. Let's go give this thing a warm water bath and remove the supports. So for this next part of the test, I'm going to cure the model parts in my Anycubic Wash and Cure 2.0, and I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes. So we're going to fast forward to the end here, and we're going to take a look at the results. Okay, so here's the finished and cured model made with Anycubic EC Resin, or environmentally friendly resin. The supports left quite the dimples there. Now, I used a really slow lift speed, so this I don't think could be attributed just to FEP pull. I'm thinking maybe I'm underexposed. Because, oh man, I used such a low lift speed. 1.5 millimeters per second, or 90 millimeters per minute. What do you think? If I used a low lift speed, is this because of underexposed layers? Should I increase my exposure? Overall, I'm pretty happy with the model. Really, really good fine details. Gonna need to do some post-processing though to fix the support bumps. Oh yeah, I'll show you the hollowed out part of the space capsule's underside here. Again, dealing a lot with these bumps. Wherever there are no supports, the form is perfect. I'm really happy with the way this turned out in general. Could do some work on getting the areas where the supports are to even out somewhat.